You know, working in the kitchen would be a breeze if you just gave these accessories a chance. Just one look and you'll be convinced. See what we mean? The adorable bare cable holders will say good morning to you every day. Not literally, of course, but you get the idea. Now this is a sight that we may be familiar with. Have we ever made a mess in the kitchen before? Yes, of course, but all of that can change. You know the saying, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Draining is kind of a risky activity since all of your food can end up in the drain, but that ends today. This handy drainer has your back. Your food is definitely safe now. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video.